Amazfit X Curved Smartwatch. Forward to the future. It's time for a new standard in smartwatches. When its extra wide curved display, the Amazfit X fits more of the important stuff on your wrist without all the scrolling to find it. It applies the continuous heart rate monitoring system to help reach your fitness goals and monitor health activity whenever your day takes you. And within a lithium battery that can run for 7 days on a single charge, the Amazfit X has the power to get you through your whole week worry free. Even when you're living around the clock, move more, stress less, monitor your health, and go all week on a single charge. The Amazfit X has all the right curves to keep you comfortable and all the right data to keep you motivated. All on a large color rich display, the new standard in smartwatches has arrived. Intricate in its design, Amazfit X exemplifies the clarity with the 326 ppi HD resolution and enhances its expression through a 480 high brightness display. Enjoy sharp and bright display even under direct light with Amazfit X. Amazfit X is all curved so it fits your wrist whether you're shaking hands in the boardroom or crushing goals in the gym. It's designed with a 92-degree curvature that helps the Amazfit X rest comfortably on your wrist. Falling asleep wearing the Amazfit X is no problem. With all these curves, it's designed with do not disturb in mind. The Amazfit X was made with a level of precision that you'd expect from a finely crafted watch. Your time is valuable, so why waste it scrolling through endless menus? The Amazfit X shows you more of what you need in a single glance as it surpasses the 6% display area of the smartwatch industry leader. With a color-rich 2.07-inch curved display, the Amazfit X fits more on your wrist than the most smartwatches. Wearbuds Watch. Smartwatch that houses its earbuds. The Wearbuds Watch is a revolutionary device that brings together a game-changing smartwatch, high-quality earbuds, and an advanced health fitness tracker into one perfect masterpiece. The sleek design hides a built-in charging compartment for your earbuds. Together with its various tracking and communication features, Wearbuds Watch is stylish enough to make a statement and modern enough to keep you with your lifestyle. Our engineering and production design team made the extra effort to redesign and create a smartwatch that stores the earbuds and charges them very quickly. Slide your earbuds into the smartwatch to change their batteries. Then take them out whenever you need them and enjoy the high quality audio that keeps you motivated and helps hit the goals. After 2 successful Indigo campaigns, we are back with the 3rd generation Wearbuds watch. Building on the feedback from thousands of backers and happy customers, we designed Wearbuds to be better and bolder. With a large and high brightness display for enhanced readability and advanced performances feature, Wearbuds Watch is built to help you keep up on your goals. Track your activity, listen to music, answer calls, and much more, all from comfort your wrist. In addition to advanced fitness feature, a new design, and a built-in magnetic charger station for earbuds, the Wearbuds Watch improves on its predecessor with a large display and advanced health monitoring features such as blood oxygen sensor, more accurate heart rate monitor, blood pressure sensor, skin temperature, sleep monitor, and sedentary alerts. Experience seamless wireless audio performance, 2.5 hours of continuous audio, perfect stability, and call clarity with Bluetooth 5.0 technology. Take your beats with you no matter where you go and let your favorite jam motivate you to hit the desired goals. The Wearbuds Watch has been designed to inspire your workout and life with clear high-quality sound and reliability. Thanks to the newly upgraded design for a tight seal, its earbuds will stay put no matter how much you move or exercise without causing any discomfort to your ears. GPS smartwatch for people with Alzheimer. Caregivers and family members, are you looking for a safety solution? One of the best gifts you can give someone in your life suffering with Alzheimer's disease is the power of their independence back. The Wandering Prevention smartwatch will help keep them safe by allowing you to know where they are at all times while providing two-way communication through the watch and offering 24-hour personal monitoring. Up to 16 family members or caregivers can monitor the watch. This device can be a lifesaver. The amazing MX Allo Care GPS watch allows you to keep watch of your loved ones. We understand that safety is critical, whether we are at home or out in the community, alone or with loved ones. Caring for a person with Alzheimer's disease is a challenge. The company hopes that this watch will help you cope with some of these challenges and provide a solution to increase the security and freedom of the persons with Alzheimer's in your home. Up to 16 family members or caregivers can monitor the watch. This device can be a lifesaver. The amazing MX Allo Care GPS watch allows you to keep watch of your loved ones. We understand that safety is critical, whether we are at home or out in the community, alone or with loved ones. Caring for a person with Alzheimer's disease is a challenge. The company hopes that this watch will help you cope with some of these challenges and provide a solution to increase the security and freedom of the persons with Alzheimer's in your home. Everything you need to monitor their safety is available in this small wearable device that they can keep on their wrist. The device provides two-way communication using high-sensitivity GPS and cellular tower location as well as latest Wi-Fi technology when GPS is not available. It's also a quad-band GSM phone for voice and data communication. X Watch, the most functional and smartwatch. The X Watch and X Watch Lite are two of the most functional smartwatches to be introduced into the market. These watches have been designed to bring the customer features that are not widely available in smartwatches currently in the market. It's a phone or two. The X Watch is an actual standalone phone when you insert a micro SIM card into the watch. Make calls directly from X Watch with no need for a phone. In addition, you can simultaneously pair your existing mobile device to X Watch, allowing you to make a receive call from both numbers through one device. It has a blood pressure monitor that keeps track of your blood pressures with a built-in monitor. Store and listen to music. X Watch's built-in audio player gives you the ability to listen to music either stored on your phone or stored on your X Watch's huge 8 GB internal memory right from the watch on its inbuilt speaker, or you can pair it to Bluetooth earphones for more private listening. Health, fitness and monitoring. X Watch can track all of your fitness activity including stepped walk, calories burned and more. X Watch is also one of the most convenient devices to use while training. Don't carry your heavy phone around when running or exercising. Instead, wear X Watch. Pair to any phone, easy pairing to your iOS or Android device using X Watch's built-in QR code scanner or Bluetooth control screen, and with X Watch's Bluetooth notifier, receive call or alert from your mobile phone on X Watch via sound or vibration alerts. X2 wireless headsets. We have developed the perfect Bluetooth headsets for the X2 watch. It can be used for listening to music or answering calls. The X2 headsets paired with the X Watch is the ultimate combo for working out or anything else you don't want your actual phone for. Stay in touch without a phone with X Watch and the X2 wireless headset. Disc Golf smartwatch app for training. Throwing technique analysis app based on the motion tracking of smartwatch to improve form, give instant feedback and correct mistakes. Pull acceleration and release speed measures included. For Apple and Android watches, our prototype testing results says it's simple to use and it doesn't feel distracting on your wrist. As disc golfers and engineers, the experts want to use simple but powerful technology that can help all players and develop the sport further with new training methodologies. To create a good database algorithm, the experts need tens or hundreds and thousands of data points. This is the reason every backer is an integral part of development as the training program participant. Based on the training data, the system learns to detect different throwing techniques and judge how well you're performing them. The concept is about improving throws on the course, tracking consistently your development, and to top it all, measuring the pull and release speeds of your throws. Oopsie Pros uses motion tracker sensors to give instant feedback, analyze throwing technique, and correct mistakes. The company wants you to become better players by improving form and throwing techniques. Instructional YouTube videos are a great way to learn. So is video critique, but it takes a lot of time. Going through all the slow motion videos takes even longer, and it's difficult to tell if you're doing it correctly or not. And it's difficult to systematically improve without consistent feedback. To solve this, the company came up with an artificial disc golf personal trainer which would be easy to use and always with you. Just put on a watch and go to the course to shoot discs. You can record each throw and get immediate feedback. This campaign funds the development of Oopsie Pro app for Apple and Android smartwatches. As the best deal, we suggest going pro. For $89, you get a lifetime pass for Oopsie Pro, the custom print disc to show off your friend plus 3 discs set which algorithm picks for you based on your training data. Why? Because we want to challenge our technology to see if you like these discs more than your current favorites.